Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use 3 WhatsApp in iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So the first is you get yourself an official WhatsApp app which you can log in with your number and you can use it, right? Next has to be the WhatsApp business. For that you go to App Store, you go search bar and search in WhatsApp business, and then you go ahead, get yourself the WhatsApp business, download it, and you're gonna go ahead, add another number and access this particular account as well. Apparently there is only 2 individually separate apps for the WhatsApp, is WhatsApp and WhatsApp business. Next one you can do is you can go ahead and go to your browser and search in WhatsApp web, search in, and then you can access the WhatsApp web for that. Now for that you have to access this on your desktop, and then you can go and scan the QR code and access it. Now that's the only way for you to access 3 accounts or 3 WhatsApp simultaneously on iPhone. If you want existing ones without using a desktop, then there are 2 options, is the WhatsApp and WhatsApp business. Third one is web WhatsApp option, which needs to be accessed on desktop. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.